What is good, YouTube? It's your boy SS back again with another video, another camera kind of fire. But yeah, we're finna do a POV, so y'all stay tuned. Let's get to it. Boom. Yes. Yes. This shit sounds so good, guys. They deny my shit so many times. Like, that shit be getting on my fucking nerve, chat. That shit does get on my motherfucking nerve. That bitch hit so hard. Chat, this shit sounds so good. Oh, this chat, this motherfucker sounds so good, and it runs so good in the morning because it's cold. Like, you see, 46 degrees. Man. Let's listen to it, chat. Damn. Y'all want downshift? Both windows up, by the way. Y'all want downshift? Chat, this motherfucker sounds so good. Hey, chat, this motherfucker sounds so good. Chat, this motherfucker sounds so good. I'm telling you. Whee! Chat, it sounds so good. Like, I wasn't saying this because I'm just enjoying the car. Like, I'm just listening to the motor, that V8, that 6.2 liter V8 just scream. Like, and I wish I'm at Dodge, LOL. I wish Chevy, like, I mean, I understand the rail limit, like, they're to save you from blowing your fucking motor, transmission, etc. But, like, imagine, because this is factory tuned. It's not like, you know, tuned to a third party. It's from factory. So it comes with a bunch of rail limiters and shit, and governors. So, just imagine if this thing was tuned, like, no rail limiter, just straight motor and RPMs, downshifting, aggressive, upshifting, screaming. Like, just imagine how crazy would this thing be without a rail limiter. Like, y'all don't understand that. Like, that's crazy. Like, that shit's so crazy, chat. I'm telling you, if you want you a Camaro, I think you should get one and get a V8 so you can be happy. I'm telling you, get a V8. You can get an SS, LT1, like, as long as it's a V8, you can get you a field gen Camaro SS. It still's gonna be fun because they come with LSs. It is still gonna be fun because when you get an American V8 raw power, rear drive, turn the traction off, slaying time marks at the gas station every day. Smiles per gallon, just happy, just excited as you want to be. You're not gonna regret it. You know what I'm saying? It's pros and cons, but you're not gonna regret it. Like, this car make me so happy. Like, I'm so happy right now, to the point where I'm smiling behind the camera. You know, and I'm gonna roll my windows down so y'all can actually hear this thing. And I'm in drive, by the way, tour mode. If y'all don't know, the Cummins mode, you would say. Just listen. And that's tour mode. Find a rail limiter. Say chat. Hey chat, it's find a rail limiter, so it's like when I downshift it bugs because it's find a rail limiter. But like that's why I said that's the trashiest part about this shit from the factory, like that rail limiter. I don't know if all of them come to rail limiter, but it's like it kind of it pulls down your rev, so you can't rev high. You can't rev high or you can't downshift high. Like, you gotta literally wait till the car got down. I don't know how it works, because sometimes it'll let you do it. Sometimes it will, sometimes it won't let you do it. So it's like really, it'll catch you off guard when it lets you downshift past 5,000 RPMs. Like, and I think I probably gotta play around with it in sport mode, because like I said, I don't drive the car in sport mode, because I mean, tour mode really comfort mode. So I mean, like, I want to drive comfort, like loose steering, you know, just smooth ride. Pretty much like a comfort mode. Sport mode is pretty much aggressive downshift, steering wheel tightens up, suspension, etc. So I usually, I'm gonna give y'all guys some verbals. Chat, this thing is crazy, man. I'm gonna pick y'all back up if I get into anything. Record? Yeah. YouTube, we just got done with the lights, you know what I'm saying? It's not the end of, well, this part will be the end of the video, so make sure y'all guys like, well, I'm gonna give y'all guys, look at this shit first. Like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for another banger. Sorry I didn't record none of this, but this is what I was doing all day with the boys. But peace.